It's inside. It's a Z908 UAV. New materials used. New materials used. Unique line texture. Upgrade 2000 mAh modular battery. Equipped with exquisite storage bag. Convenient folding design. As for its performance, now let's have a test. Upgraded by 16 strong motor, one-touch takeoff, intelligent flight control system at high altitude. Can still have a stably 150-degree electric adjustable camera. Design of a large-angle camera for TF shooting. Open app control from the perspective of real shooting. Equipped with dual 4K lens. All you want is details. It is also equipped with a 70-degree comprehensive obstacle avoidance system. Automatic braking. Novices can fly safely. Ultra-long flight distance. Try smart follow. It also has a one-button surround, gesture photography and video recording, speed range advanced mode, trajectory flight, 360 degree stunt roll. It has everything you need. This is the Z908 UAV.